Do you want to master English for your dream job? In an increasingly globalized world, English fluency opens doors to a variety of career opportunities. It's a skill that can take you places, literally and metaphorically. The tips we're about to share come from university students in Japan who have successfully navigated the journey of mastering English. Their experiences might just light your path in achieving your language goals. Stay tuned to learn the secrets of their success. Immerse yourself completely in the language. Surround yourself with English speakers, tune into English music, binge-watch English movies. These practices help sharpen your language skills by enhancing your listening and comprehension abilities. Remember, the key is to expose yourself to English as much as possible. Practice makes perfect. To master English, regular practice is vital. Imagine the students in Japan speaking, reading, and writing English every day. They committed to this daily routine, understanding that language mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency in practice is the secret to mastering any language. Leverage technology to your advantage. Embrace language learning apps. Delve into the wealth of online resources and engage with English-speaking communities on social media. These digital platforms can be your allies in mastering English. With the right tools, you can learn English anytime, anywhere. To summarize, mastering English for your dream job is possible. We've explored some key strategies today: immersion, regular practice, and the use of technology. Immersion, whether physical or cultural, can help you adapt to the language faster. Regular practice, on the other hand, allows you to improve your skills gradually but surely. And technology, it provides a wealth of resources right at your fingertips, from language apps to online tutors. These tips are not just theories, but tried and true methods from university students in Japan who have successfully mastered English. Remember, the journey of mastering English is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing and never give up on your dreams.